In this video, we're going to talk about product creation ideas and how you can come up with ideas for your information products. So for this system to work, you need to determine your niche market first. Once you've selected your niche market, you should watch this video here because I'm about to reveal to you some simple ways to come up with ideas for your product, whether it's going to be an ebook, a video course, an audio course, whatever your product's going to be about. I'm going to show you a couple simple ways to get ideas for what you should put into that product. So the first thing you want to do, go out to amazon.com, and what we're going to do is type in our niche keyword phrase. So I'm going to type in here to Amazon, and let's say our product is all about acne, for example. So I'm just going to type in acne, and I'm just going to hit search. And on the left hand side here, it's going to say books. So I'm going to choose books that are all related to acne. And what you're going to see here, this is one of the first books that comes up, Heal Acne Fast and Naturally. Notice it's got 16 very good positive ratings, so that tells you that it is a book that may potentially work. And I'm just going to choose Look Inside. Look Inside. And so you'll notice here all books have that look inside feature. So we're going to click on it one more time once we land on this page. What the look inside feature does is it actually tells you, what are the chapters about in the book? What kind of topics are covered here in this book? So you can see, lifestyle and home remedies, chemical treatments, understanding acne, how to keep healthy skin. And in this situation, you would be taking notes of these subject lines just so you can get an idea of going, you know what, that's not a bad idea. Maybe I should research what some of the celebrities are doing to keep their skin so good. Maybe I should look this up for, how to prevent acne. You could also come in here. Here's another book, Oily Skin Care. You notice it's got the look inside feature as well. So let's just click on that option here and scroll on down here to the table of contents. Inside the table of contents here, we can see all kinds of botanical remedies that can help heal skin blemishes. So green tea, olive leaf extract, and it's not saying you want to pull content straight from these books, but what we're talking about is coming up with solutions that you could actually research further for your ebook, solutions that you could put into a book format or into PowerPoint slides that you could do a video on. So the Amazon Look Inside feature is a phenomenal tool for finding, inside the books, look at how the chapters are organized, and really helps you come up with ideas for what kind of topics to cover within your niche market when you're trying to create your product. So use that tool for your niche market, depending on the market you've decided to go after. So it's a really good strategy as well. Here's another idea not related to acne. This is about, natural depression cure. So I'm just going to choose Look Inside. And inside this book here, what we're going to find here again at the very top, setting your mind to be free of depression, creating the right environment that will cure you, forming a balanced relationship. And so these are all really good points that you could use in a product if you were to do your own product on depression and how to cure it naturally. So great solutions there on Amazon, especially for the health related type products. Another great strategy when coming up with ideas for your content is ezinearticles.com. You can come over here to Ezine Articles, and let's say now for this example, you're going after the internet marketing niche market. So let's just choose internet and online business here. So you first go to the home page and you're going to choose your category. So go to the home page of Ezine Articles, choose whichever category the niche that you've selected falls under. So I'm going to go with internet and business opportunities because I chose internet marketing. And on the right hand side, you're going to see all kinds of ideas. And within internet marketing, let's say you've decided to create a book, an ebook all about, let's say, list building. So I would click on list building, and inside here you're going to find all kinds of articles. How to build a list that will come back for more, increase your website opt-ins with freebies, how to become a successful internet marketer, list building, how it helps your online business, So you come up with ideas. These could be subject matters. These could be bullet points that you have on your PowerPoint slides. These could be complete chapters. You could do an entire chapter on, how to get a responsive list that comes back for more. And so you could research that further. This idea here, this whole point here is to just come up with ideas for what to incorporate into your product. There's an literally almost an unlimited source of ideas on eZine articles, on Amazon if you're using the look inside feature of the books. So if you use these two tools, you should have no problem whatsoever coming up with keywords. And I'm going to give you one other tool that you can use, and that is Yahoo Answers. So if you go to answers.yahoo.com, answers.yahoo.com, and what we're going to type in here is our niche phrase. So I'm going to type in, let's say for this example, golf slice is a problem people have, meaning they're hitting the golf ball wrong. This will give you an idea. So why does a golf ball slice? Well, that would be a question you could answer in your product. How to cure golf slice? Is there a simple method to cure golf slice? You could research this. How do I fix? My golf shots are slicing, irons only. In golf, what is the difference between a slice and a hook? That might be something to include in your book, or it might be a topic you could include to promote your book through a video or article. So Yahoo Answers is another great place to go for coming up with ideas for your product. So once you've settled on your niche, you can use this video to come up with ideas for content to include in your training and come up with ideas that your marketplace is looking for. Another great place is, of course, to go out to the forums in your niche market as well. You could go out to boardreader.com. You could find those very popular communities. So let's type in internet marketing, for example, and we could come across those forums within our niche market that people are looking for, that people have questions on. So you just go up here, you can type in internet marketing, and again, make sure when you're using Board Reader, the top left, it's going to say post, topics, or forums. We want to select forums because we want to only come across internet marketing forums. And if I were to click on one of these, let's just say I am for newbies here, we could go to this forum. We could see what kind of things people are looking at. This forum right here in particular is under maintenance. But if we were to go to the Warrior forum, we'd come in here and we could actually see what kind of topics people are wanting to know. What kind of topics are people struggling with? So let's just go here to internet marketing, the Warrior forum. Here's the main discussion area, copywriting forum. So let's just go right in here and let's say, first sale on ClickBank. Okay, why is there no lead generators? So you see here, a lot of these are questions. So people have questions. Is this a good niche website idea? What's the best use of $300 for your marketing? So that would be a really good content you could take and say, okay, I'm going to answer this question in my product. So leverage forums in your industry. Look at Amazon, look at the look inside feature of the books, take a look at ezinearticles.com, look at Yahoo Answers, and you should have no problem coming up with content for your product.